SoCal Auto Sound is proud to have been selected to participate in the update of the Vendetta. The Vendetta is a completely custom 57-foot yacht. It was built as a one-of-a-kind project for Billy Joel in 2005. This classic-appearing modern express cruiser is powered by two 1,300 horsepower diesel engines, which would normally be fitted to a much larger yacht. This gives the Vendetta a top speed of almost 50 knots. No expense was spared on the construction of this custom beauty, other than the complete lack of any sort of audio system. Since no consideration was given to the audio system in the design of this boat, a lot of extra work was necessary. The classic theme used in the construction of the boat continued into the new owner's renovations. This made for some very interesting design challenges as well. The goal of this almost year-long project was to implement a dual-zone audio system that is easy to use, has exceptional sound quality, and integrates nicely into the boat in a manner that doesn't detract from the classic styling. The new owner wanted a simple-to-operate stereo, small and discreet, something that would blend in. He wanted to be able to hook up his phone automatically when he came on board, and he wanted to be able to adjust the volume below deck and above with easy-to-access analog knobs that would blend into the overall look of the helm. The boat's electrical system is 24 volts, which is rather unusual for a boat this size, but the capacity of the engines demanded it. Since inverters could not power the demands of the amplifier, special 24-volt marine amplifiers were used. Mating these amplifiers with a 12-volt stereo, which had to be run off of an inverter, was no small challenge. Since regular marine speakers and grills did not have the subtle look we were after, high-quality marine speakers were cut down to fit into flush mount grills, which had had their less robust 8-ohm speakers removed. This enabled us to get the sound quality and output we wanted, and the elegant look that we couldn't get from a normal marine speaker. The subwoofer in the cabin below deck was able to be hidden behind an existing grill for a full, rich sound without any visible subs. However, the subwoofer outside was a little more complicated. We didn't want any subwoofer grills at all. We didn't want any boxes. We didn't want any visible sign that there was a sub anywhere. But we still wanted the great full sound that you can get only with a subwoofer. So we designed a 4th-order bandpass enclosure that's bolted to the ceiling below the deck and then vented to the top through ports of exacting dimensions required for a 4th-order enclosure. The generously radiused port ends are nicely hidden underneath the rear seating. The results are the best of both worlds. Great sound quality from an almost invisible system. Working on a project where the owner gives you free rein to do everything just right is always a pleasure. This project was an extended one, but the results are exceptional. I look forward to seeing the Vendetta out on the harbor and hope that the owner enjoys the system as much as we enjoyed creating it for him.